Hi, my name is Jamie Fisher, and I'm the art director here at Jerry's Artarama, and today I wanted to talk to you about the Acurit Drafting Sets. These sets help you achieve precise lines and tackle very complex shapes that otherwise would probably be very difficult to do freehand. The Drafting Introduction set includes triangles, curves, lettering guide, and more, perfect for the established artist looking to improve precision, accuracy, and scale. The Beginner Drafting Set not only includes triangles and rulers, but it also comes with a gravity-fed pencil, technical pencil with refills, and a drafting brush, perfect for those just getting started in drafting. And for those of you who are aspiring architects, the Architect Drafting Set is an all-in-one set for the artists ready to take their drafting to the next level. This set not only includes a high-end 2-piece technical compass, it also includes 2 inking triangles, a protractor, triangle architect scale, and more. These high-end tools will give you everything you need to start your architectural drafting. The included rulers, protractors, and triangles are clear, so that way you can see through to your drawing as well as where you'll be laying down your next line. The Architect Drafting Set includes an eraser shield, perfect for protecting your drawings and preventing over-erasing. The included compass allows for precise adjustments, giving you the most accurate circle every time. The drafting brush included in the Architect and Beginner sets help to remove shavings and prevent unwanted smudgings in your drawings. Not all drafting is about straight lines. The Architect and Intro drafting sets include French curves, great for creating archways and pathways in your landscape drawings. These 2 sets also include inking triangles, specifically designed with beveled edges so that when you ink your drawings, you avoid smudging. So pick up your drafting set today here at jerrysartarama.com.